Hey kids, yeah. Today we got some awesome things happening. We're gonna get this, that, and that out of my way right now. Oh, how are we gonna do that? We're gonna use the gantry or the cherry picker or both. Pick them up. I'm gonna make a cart, put them on right now. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over to the gantry crane. Now, yeah, I got a wheel down, but that's fine because I got the wheel. Uh-huh. Frozen. Also frozen. We're going to use this to pick up the coupe and the frame. That's those are the pieces and parts I was going to use. Yeah. I did find some 2x6 treated, and I think it'll work. It looks like there's a chance. I've got that longer one right there. This one's longer than those, I think. I'm just grabbing stuff. I've got lumber over there, and I've got my 2x4s there. I wonder if I have anything in the shed. Let's go take a look. You guys see any 2x? I figured it would be okay-ish because it's been 50 for the past couple of days, and maybe that ice is just thicker than I thought. Cherry picker's right over there on the outside, just, or actually, anyway, it's over there. Well, let's go. Now I do have these 4x4s right here. I could use those. I don't want to because I have other plans for them. Yep, there's a deck lid. That's my mat. Why is it out here? Got those. Yeah. Apparently, should I just take this apart? Whatever. All right, let's go over here. I was listening to a song that was terrible. Wait, why was I listening to a terrible song? Look, I don't want to talk about it. Got a little wind damage. See that? Look at that. Pretend we didn't see that. Now we're going back here. The secret storage location. As you can see, we had some, yeah. Why? Here's it's right there. There's ice clearly. You know, yeah. Well, that's real. Real pain in the ass. All right, well, I got that mess cleaned up. See? At least something's working. By that, I mean nothing's working. Oh, check this out. So I've got this option, but I don't know that I have. Well, look, I can't pick up this or that by myself, especially not that one. Yep. It's no bueno. We're going to try the gantry one more time. Yep. Yep. Well, let's go over there and talk about what we learned. Here's what we learned. Just because it's been 50 degrees for a couple, 3 days in Minnesota doesn't mean anything. What it means is that it needs to get warmer again to move those. Well, these aren't frozen down. I just need something to be able to pick them up. And I guess today is not that. Maybe we'll let them melt some more and we'll try it again another day. But like Homer once said, can't win, don't try. Keep on wrenching, kids.